You don't have to remove the spring to take the door handle out. I'm gonna put this back on how it's supposed to, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install it. Easy peasy. Alright, so the way this thing goes is slide in there, but it's never gonna go in until you pull this and at the same time you unscrew that all the way you can, and then that's gonna stay like that. Then at the same time you're unscrewing that, you gotta push it in. I'll try to show you guys. I can't right now, I just have two hands. Use something like this for that. Take two. As you guys can see, I pulled that. Then now I have space to slide this in. Don't forget your rubber. Alright, so it's gotta go in now. So it's nice and flat. This door handle. You gotta Morning. The way we're gonna make this work is screw that in, and then same time push in the door handle. I just did what I told you guys, so